Hi friends, welcome to another video on Tutorials Point with me Richa. Today in the aviation module segment, we will talk about aviation terminologies. Well, in aviation there are a lot of different short forms as well as phonetics which are used by passengers as well as crew. So today in this module, we'll take a look at them. Keep watching. Well, on the agenda today is getting familiar with aviation terminologies, airport short forms which are used by certain operators, as well as phonetic alphabets used by passengers and crew. Let's take a look at these short forms which are used in aviation, certain abbreviations. ABP stands for able-bodied passenger. AC stands for aircraft. AOG stands for aircraft on ground. APU stands for auxiliary power unit. ATA stands for actual time of arrival. ATC stands for air traffic control. ATD stands for actual time of departure. AFT stands for rear part of the aircraft, which is the backward part of the aircraft. ATT stands for attendant and BC stands for business class. Friends, let's take a look at certain more terminologies. BRT stands for bright. CAA stands for Civil Aviation Authority. CAT stands for Clear Air Turbulence. CCM stands for Cabin Crew Member. CPR stands for Cardiopulmonary Resuscitation. CPT stands for Captain. CRM stands for Crew Resource Management. Well, we have some more terminologies for you. Deadhead stands for crew which is traveling as a passenger. DG stands for dangerous goods. DGR stands for dangerous goods regulations. ELT stands for emergency locator transmitter. ETA stands for estimated time of arrival. ETD stands for estimated time of departure. FAA stands for Federal Aviation Authority. FAK stands for First Aid Kit. IATA stands for International Air Transport Association, and ICAO stands for International Civil Aviation Organization. Well, we have some more terminologies for you. OXY stands for oxygen. PA stands for public address. PAX stands for passengers on board. PBE stands for portable breathing equipment. PIC stands for pilot in command. POB stands for passengers on board. PSU stands for passenger service unit. Some more terminologies for you. RWY stands for runway. SAR stands for search and rescue. SCCM stands for senior cabin crew member. SOP stands for standard operating procedures. STA stands for scheduled time of arrival, and STBY stands for standby. Well friends, these were certain abbreviations used in the aviation industry. Coming to certain phonetics which are used in aviation largely by all the airlines all over the world. Now generally ABC stands for apple, ball, cat, dog, etc. Whereas in aviation it is not so. They have their own phonetic system, so let's take a look at that. A stands for alpha, B stands for Bravo, C for Charlie, D as in Delta, E as in Echo, F as in Foxtrot, G as in Golf, H as in Hotel, I as in India, J as in Juliet, K as in Kilo, L as in Lima, M as in Mike, N as in November, O as in Oscar, P as in Papa, Q as in Quebec, R as in Romeo, S as in Sierra, T as in Tango, U as in Uniform, V as in Victor, W as in Whiskey, X as in X-ray, Y as in Yankee, and Z as in Zulu. These are the phonetics used very commonly by passengers, by flight crew, by cabin crew, as well as by the ground staff whenever they want to communicate to each other as well as to the passengers. Well friends, that was a quick module for you on the aviation terminologies as well as certain phonetics used in aviation. We sincerely hope you have enjoyed listening to us as much as we have enjoyed teaching you this particular module. Keep watching, more modules coming your way. Till then, thank you.